Hello and welcome to John Foster RC. I'd like to thank you for stopping by and giving me some of your precious time. We have been given a lovely model to build. This is from the fabulous Sir RC Elf. Sir, you're an absolute legend, spreading love and care across the whole of the RC community. And yes, this is a model that I have been looking forward to building. This is the MF-01X chassis, as you can see here. It's a four-wheel drive chassis. I know that purists out there would say, but the Volkswagen Beetle was always a rear-wheel drive vehicle. Yes, but Tamiya have put this lovely body on this chassis, and I think it looks quite nice and quite good. Always wanted to have this, and of course I've got the option of changing the body if I want to that great Escort Mark II as well. Yes, so RC Elf, you know who you are. A big thank you from the heart for me. You know this does me so well for my mind, with the stresses of life that I have to cope with, and this is wonderful to have an outlet here. So let's have a look at it and see if we can get things out onto the table, and have a look, see what's inside the box. So taking a quick look at the side of the box, you can see that it's a high performance chassis, shaft driven. It is a monocoque type chassis. It also has the motor, which is rear mounted, and it is shaft driven to the front wheels. I'm hoping with the weight of the motor at the back might give it some of the characteristics of a rear wheel drive, but we shall see. You've got the rally block style tyres, and you've got like the red accents here as well, which set it off quite nicely. You've got the battery, which is across the chassis, so it kind of helps with the weight distribution. And this is a modular type chassis where you're able to put components in the chassis to give you different lengths. So they give you either a small, medium or large wheelbase. So yeah, quite a nice chassis there. And the first thing you will also notice here is it's officially licensed by Volkswagen as well, which is quite nice to have. And you've got some tune-up parts as well. So we are going to be putting ball bearings in our model. And I have purchased some oil dampers as well, because I do not like the friction style shocks. But you can also buy aluminium horns for the servo savers, and an aluminium motor mount as well, and you need obviously the obligatory gear to make the model run, and it's typical Tamiya fashion in that the Tamiya do give such great detail in their box art, and it is actually beautiful. This comes with a torque tuned motor, and you do get the ESC, which is probably going to be that TBLE 4S style electronic speed controller. One thing you notice straight away when you're unboxing is that in this particular box, the Tamiya haven't segregated it like they do with some of the other kits. Everything is all underneath the body and piled around the body itself, so you've got plenty of things there. So like I said, I've also purchased the ball bearing kit for mine. So you can see there I've got a ball bearing set. I've got a servo ready to go in as well, and you've got my receiver, which I use for my GT5 system. So yeah, and yeah, you'll note here as well that typically the kit does come with the TBLE, and it's the TBLE 4S that comes with, which is quite a competent electronic speed control. I think it'd probably be enough for this in stock form, but we'll see how she handles when we build her and see if we want to make her go faster. And thank you for the wonders of camera work. I can now show you the contents of the MF-01X Rally Beetle car. This is all the contents. As you can see, we've got all the plastic parts, including those lovely striking red ones that we have there. We've got lots of chassis components as well. And here as well, we've got some chassis for that component part of the chassis to make it from small, medium and large. We've got those lovely tyres, which you have to have a sniff. Oh yeah, they're good, nice. Those lovely chrome parts, the torque tune motor, all the parts bags, A, B, C and D, your servo saver, your gears and your gearbox. You've got some various parts here. You've got your 04 TBLE 04S ESC and the obligatory manual as you would get, and in top of that you also get the manual for the body as well, which is in here as well. There we are. So you get the obligatory body manual as well. So that's everything out onto the table. We now have the wonderful build to do, and this is the bit I love so much, and so much so I want to thank the RC again. Thank you so much indeed. This is a wonderful kit. Can't wait to get stuck in. And I'm going to be a little bit cheaty, and I am going to say that I already did open up the bodywork and did do a little bit of bodywork, so that's now curing. So that will be revealed towards the end of the build. Ha! See you later. On to the next.